What is mensuration? It is a branch of mathematics which deals with calculation of lengths, areas, and volumes of different shapes. What is perimeter? Perimeter is the total length of the boundary in a closed shape. Let's try and understand this using an example. For example, you have a huge square-shaped farm. Now, in order to save your farm from street animals, you decide to fence it. If you know the length of one side of the farm, you just have to multiply it by 4 in order to find the total perimeter of the farm. There are many such instances where we might be using the concept of finding perimeter without even knowing about it. Let us have a look at the article in order to understand the concept in a better way. Formulas. Perimeter of rectangle 2 into L plus B. Perimeter of square 4 into side. Perimeter of triangle A plus B plus C. Area of rectangle length plus breadth. Area of square side into side. Thank you.
My lovely friends. Good morning, ma'am, and my lovely friends. My name is Kasam Sama. I read in this class. My topic is mensuration. What is a mensuration? A mensuration perimeter is a distance covered along the boundary forming a closed figure. When we go around the figure once, there are some examples of perimeter are fence of a field, a compound wall on all sides of a house, a track of conduct sports. And now there is a rectangle having 2 lengths and 2 breadths. Perimeter of a rectangle is length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. Now is the formula of rectangle is 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. So is 2 into length plus breadth. Now there is one example. A field is 50 meters long and 25 meters wide. Find the perimeter of the field. There is a solution. Length of a field is 50 and the width of a field is 25. The perimeter of a rectangular field is 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. So 2 multiplied by 50 meters plus 25 meters is equal to 2 multiplied by 75 meters. The answer will be 150 meters. The perimeter of the field is 150 meters. Now there is a perimeter of a square. They are having 4 sides. In a square, all sides are equal in length. Perimeter of a square is side plus side plus side. There are 4 into side. Now there is one example. Find the perimeter of a square park of a side centimeters. So side of a park is centimeters and perimeter of a square park is equal to 4 into length of a side. So 4 into centimeters is equal to 280 meters. Perimeter of a square park is 280 meters. Now there is a triangle. What is a triangle? A triangle is a 3 sides closed figure. It has 3 sides vertical and 3 angles. Sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Has 2-dimensional figure. It is the smallest polygon. It is one of the basic shapes in the geometry. Perimeter of a triangle is side plus side plus side. Now there is an equilateral triangle. It is an equilateral triangle. All the 3 sides are equal are in length. Perimeter of an equilateral triangle is equal to side plus side is equal to 3 into side. The perimeter of equilateral triangle. Example, there is one example. Find the perimeter of an equilateral triangle of side 14 centimeter. So the side of an equilateral triangle is 14 centimeter. Perimeter of an equilateral triangle is 3 into side, and 3 into 40 centimeter is equal to 42 centimeter. And the perimeter of an equilateral triangle is 42 centimeter. Find the cost of there is a one example. Find the cost of a fencing of a rectangle park at a rate of rupees 12 per meter in the length and the width of the park are 225 meter and 175 meter respectively. The answer is perimeter of a rectangle park is 2 is equal to length plus breadth. 2 into 225 meter plus 175 meter is equal to 2 into 400 meter is equal to 200 meters. Cost of a fencing the rectangle park rupees 12 into 800. So the answer is rupees 9,600. The cost of a fencing of a rectangle park is 9,600. Thank you. I hope my flip learning is clear. Stay home, stay safe.
Yes, start.
Use of variable in common rule. Rule from geometry.
Geometry.
Perimeter of a square. Geometry. Perimeter of a square. Perimeter of a rectangle. Rule from practice. Community of addition and two number. Community of multiplication of two number. Distributive of number. What is equation? Equation is a mathematical expression that contain a equal symbol. Equation of often contain algebra. Algebra is used in maths when you do not know the exact number in calculation. Many professionals use equation every day, including air traffic controllers, artists, computer programmers, and cartesians. What is expression? An expression, an algebraic expression in mathematics is an expression which is made up of variables and constants, along with the algebraic operation, addition, subtraction, etc. Expressions are made up of terms. Expressions are the idea of expressing number using letters or alphabet without expressing their actual value. The basic of algebra thought use how to express an unknown value using letters such as x, y, z, etc. These letters are called here as variables, and both variables are contact. Any variable that is placed before and multiplicated by a variable is called confidence. Quiz 1. Find the perimeter of a square where I am then inside the boundary of a closed figure. Ma'am, it's area.
Yes, the answer is area. Absolutely right. Next B part, letters used to represent numbers. Charvi Jain.
Letters used to represent numbers is variable.
Variable. Absolutely right answer. Variable. C part, Ayush Sharma. In a number, I separate the whole part of the number from its decimal number part. Ayush Sharma. Tanish Sharma.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it is decimal.
Decimal. That is right answer. Because here I am separating the whole number part from the decimal number part. Let's start with question number 2 now. Yes, Bhuvi Tandon, question number 2, A part. You have to correct the incorrect statements. My age is
X years. My age is X years. After 10 years, my age
will be x plus 10 years.
That's absolutely right. X plus 10 is the right answer. Next, 700 plus 1 plus 9 upon 10 can be expressed as 701.09. Yes, Prapti Agarwal. Prapti Agarwal. Saksham Sharma.
Yes, ma'am.
What will be the, how will you correct this statement? B part, question number 2, B part.
And this
700.
is the statement.
This is?
Correct statement.
No, this is not a correct statement. 700
Ma'am,
plus
701 point ma'am 9.
0.9. That's right, 701.9, or you can write like that, 701 plus 1, 700 plus 1 plus 9 upon 100. That can also be correct, or 701.9 is also correct. Both the answers are right. Okay. Next answer, Ayush Sharma. The perimeter of a regular octagon of side 5 centimeter is 30 centimeter.
No, ma'am. It's 40 centimeter because a regular octagon has 8 sides. Oh, malab 8 sides, and if it's one side is of 5 centimeter, we will multiply 8 by 5, and it's 40 centimeter.
That's right. Here we have to express in kilometers using decimals. 5 kilometer to 45 meters. So 5 kilometer. What is the mistake over here? We have to find it out. Bhumika,
Yes, ma'am.
can you tell me the answer? What
Yes,
is the
ma'am,
mistake given over here? In A part, what is the mistake?
Ma'am, there is 52.45 kilometers. 52.45 kilometers the answer.
Wait, Bhumika. Anya, yes, you tell me the mistake over here. Yes, plus sign. 5 kilometer plus 245. It's written negative sign over there. That's right. Next question. 2x plus 1 represents 1 subtracted from twice the number x. 1 subtracted from twice the number x. What will be the correct answer? Ritul Bhardwaj. Question number 3, B part. 2x plus 1 represents 1 subtracted from twice the number x. Ritul. Tanishq.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the answer is that, ma'am, there is written 1 subtracted from twice the number x. But, ma'am, it is 1 added from twice the number x.
1 added to twice the number x. 1 added to. Instead of subtracted from, will come added to. Next, C part. Okay. 2 parts have been given. That's the mistake. Question number 4. Complete the following steps. We have to complete these steps. Bhumika, complete these steps. Area of a square is equal to Bhumika. Unmute yourself. Yes, Laksh.
Ma'am, area of the square is equal to side multiplied by side.
Your camera, back camera is on, Laksh. Side multiply side.
By side.
In the second step, what it will come?
Ma'am, 8 multiplied by 8.
8 multiplied by 8. In the next,
Ma'am, 16 meter.
16. 8 plus 8 you multiply 8 is 16.
Mm. 7. 64.
You know, don't know the table of say 8, so confusing you are. 64 meter square.
Yes. Square. 64 square meter.
When you will subtract this, what you will be getting? Subtract 8b square plus 2b plus 7 from 0. Check. Kanishka, unmute yourself. What will be the answer? Chehek, unmute yourself.